Hello Dnation and welcome to yet another special unbox and review episode. In this episode we're going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale muscle machine cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. These are 5 premium muscle machine cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast muscle machine cars come in the signature Hot Wheels cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. And as you can see, I got 5 muscle machine models from this Hot Wheels series that piqued my interest. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance these diecast muscle machines look quite premium and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their color scheme and branding details and have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional too. And these are the 5 different diecast muscle machine cars in the Hot Wheels series collection. So with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheel cars. So let's kickstart with the Boneshaker. This car is from the Hot Wheels Race Team series and it has a signature Boneshaker bodywork with a blowout engine and a signature open roof. And this is the Street Creep from the Rod Squad collection, and this car has an amazing paint job with signature graphics and a blowout engine and has an hot rod look to it. And moving on, we have yet another Boneshaker but from the Mild to Wild Hot Wheel collection which is available in 3 color variations. And as you can see, I got the toxic green variation with the flaming skull on the sides which look killer. And this is the Turbone Charged which is from the Hot Wheels Rod Squad collection as well, and I love the skull and the extended chrome bones that reach over the front wheels that serves as front fenders. And my favorite is the Bajaj Boneshaker truck from the Hot Wheels Daredevils collection, and I love the stance and the amazing signature Boneshaker graphics on this one as well. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of blowout engine muscle cars and I decided to go with this theme for the rest of the series with maybe a few exceptions here and there. And this is just one of the 8 Hot Wheels muscle car machine episodes that I've got in store for you. So stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium muscle machines by Hot Wheels. And now let's take a closer look and track test these muscle beauties and check out their wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these Hot Wheel muscle machines in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these premium car models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast muscle machines on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought over Toycoltoys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make a scale models of their cars, allowing them to use the original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited editions are now available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a series of premium motorcycle collection as well. For its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000, which had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheel muscle machines that were featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheel muscle machines are your favorite. And I would like to thank Dnation subscribers and followers for all your constant support and feedback, which is much appreciated. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheel muscle machines coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.